The three giant pandas living at the Smithsonian's National Zoo in Washington, D.C. are all healthy, according to Chinese and U.S. experts. The experts say that Meixiang and Tiantian, two giant pandas in their old age, are receiving special care at the zoo.
这三只大熊猫的整体状况是非常良好的。美香和天天已经是进入老年了，已经是老年大熊猫，它会表现出老年大熊猫的一些疾病，比如说高血压，比如说关节炎，这些都是老年大熊猫的一些常见的疾病。华盛动物园在这方面，经过治疗啊，经过一些培训啊，经过一些饲养管理的一些调整啊，这些老年大熊猫的疾病都得到了非常好的控制。
It's a cold laser treatment, and so what happens is it's almost like a massage, but it also reduces inflammation, increases blood flow in that area to help with the symptoms of the arthritis. And after they get it, we see that they're moving around more easily, and especially also for Meixiang and Tiantian, since they have to do so much lifting to eat, we see that they actually eat better even after they've had that treatment because their shoulder is feeling better.
Xiao Qiji, a male cub that Meixiang gave birth to in the summer of 2020 among the 4 surviving cubs, weighs about 100 kilograms and has been living independently for about 8 weeks.
He's very, actually does very well. He's very independent, but yet still playful. He is very confident in moving through his space and also really loves his keepers. So you'll hear him, or he'll see the keepers and he'll run back to say hello.
它是独居动物。大熊猫的话，一般在1.5岁到2岁左右的话，就要和妈妈一起分开。小奇迹目前状态是已经完全适应了独自生活。
Meixiang and Tiantian came to live at Smithsonian's National Zoo in December 2000.
It's so exciting to have a species that we feel like we're saving. We've made such inroads in our conservation. The numbers have increased in the wild. And just really to have this tremendous partnership that we have with our colleagues in China to be able to share this win together.
大熊猫啊，也是世界人民特别喜欢的一个动物。大熊猫的保护需要我们大家一起努力来保护。